we testing out this boot. Like wacky tobacco, but this is what the boot looks like currently. My heel hurts a little bit. A lot of it, I should say. Fan of the setup right now because I'm losing faith in any wheel smaller than 72. Honestly, when you take it back to the old school skating, it came from recreational skating, which, you know, the smallest wheel you might have had might have been hockey wheels, which might have been 68. So to go to 60 millimeters, I realized it really sucks, especially for a city like New York. You know, if you're focused on grinding only, cool. But I think the happy medium, to me, the happy medium for grinds, speed, distance, and kind of like all in between is this has got to be 68 to 72 millimeters. That seems to be the only thing that makes sense in my opinion. So yeah, first real time testing these out. I am riding flat. I'm riding 60 millimeters on both feet, so that's 8 down. I like to do the manhole test, see what happens there. Honestly, after heating them and stuffing them with socks, they definitely feel a lot more comfortable in the midfoot and toe area where I was having some pain. But yeah. Just decided to throw the light on, make it a little easier for the video. Now, one of these, I think the outside wheels are ABEC 9, ILQ9. I'm not sure if I took those off the RBs. And then the other wheels in the middle, I think, are an ABEC 7. Something in between. But yeah, this is the Prodotto. I think it's also important to note that this is the size 10.5 Jeff Howard boot, but specifically I'm rocking the Tim Franken liners, my fits. The MyFit Prime. I feel like honestly these liners, even though thin, they're just like a better densely packed padding. They're thinner, but like I put these on the level close to Intuition liners. And fucking light's so bright I can't see where I'm going. But yeah, the Jeff Howard liners and in general the Rain liners and Razor stock liners, I find them to just not be of the same, I don't want to say quality, I think the better word is craftsmanship. Because they might be of decent quality, but the craftsmanship in terms of where they put the stitching, where they put the padding, how they like contour the toe boot, I feel like it's lacking in some areas. But yeah, I might try the Jeff Howards if they don't hurt my feet. They're also still brand new, so I kind of don't want to test them just to wear them out and then nobody wants them, but that's pretty much it. Oh, and that color is That's a Rit Dye teal. Not teal, I'm sorry, sage. Sage, and I believe the lacings are also sage, so that should kind of match. But I guess you can see it's not quite the same at the moment.